How to download Blender on PC and laptop for free. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Store, go to search bar on top, and then type in Blender. After you find Blender, click on Blender app. In here, you'll find Get option. Simply click on Get option, and then Blender will be installed in your device for free. It does not cost anything. Simply click on Get, and after it's installed, you can simply click on Open and open the app and use the app as you want. And this is how to download Blender on PC and laptop for free. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.